Hi there, welcome to Sea Dogs Training. I've been out this afternoon with Molly, our eldest dog, and we've been trying out the new dummy that we've got from RRT through Dog and Field. We will be stocking these in our new shop. So we've come out this afternoon just to try it, and I must say, very impressed with it. Looks good in the air, looks good on the ground. We've done a little bit of video. Molly likes to pick it up, no issues with that. Got a nice weighted head, and it's obviously got the wings just to help with the marking. Nice black and white. It's also got a throwing toggle on there as well, throwing rope as well, so you get a bit of distance to it. It's a nice sized dummy, and we look forward to using them in our training courses. Thanks for watching.